Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, the units digit of 34563 to the power 20359 plus 2358 to the power 784 is. So last digit of this number is basically the last digit of 3 to the power 20359 that is equal to last digit of 3 to the power 3, that is 7, as 20359 is of the form 4k plus 3. Now also last digit of 2358 to the power 784 is equal to last digit of 8 to the power 784, that is last digit of 8 to the power 4, which is equal to 6, as 784 is of the form 4k plus 4. Therefore last digit of this combined number is 7 plus 6, so 13. So the last digit is 3. So 3 is the last digit. The next question is, what is the value of 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial and so on plus n into n factorial, where n factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on. So now we have 1 into 1 factorial can be written as 2 minus 1 into 1 factorial, or 2 into 1 factorial minus 1 into 1 factorial, that is 2 factorial minus 1 factorial. Again 2 into 2 factorial can be written as 3 minus 1 into 2 factorial, or 3 into 2 factorial minus 2 factorial, that is 3 factorial minus 2 factorial. Similarly 3 into 3 factorial can be written as 4 factorial minus 3 factorial, and therefore n into n factorial is equal to n plus 1 minus 1 into n factorial, or again this is equal to n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. So the correct option is option C. The next question is, find the sum of root over 1 plus 1 by 1 squared plus 1 by 2 squared plus root over 1 plus 1 by 2 squared plus 1 by 3 squared plus so on root over 1 plus 1 by 2007 squared plus 1 by 2008 squared. Now the first term, this is equal to root over 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 minus half. And the second term is root over 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. So the sum of first two terms is actually 3 by 2 plus root over 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9, which is equal to 3 by 2 plus root over 36 plus 9 plus 4 by 36 that is equal to 3 by 2 plus 7 by 6 is equal to 8 by 3, that is 3 minus 1 by 3. Now similarly, if we'll do the sum of first three terms come out to be, so sum of first three terms come out to be 4 minus 1 by 4. So the sum of given terms is equal to 2008 minus 1 by 2008, since there are total 2007 terms. So we get this as our answer, option A.